10 motorcycles that won't break the bank, or your back. Motorcycles often get a bad rap as luxury items, but for many riders, they're a practical, affordable way to get around. While some bikes are status symbols, others are simply reliable tools that can handle daily use without constant repairs. This list focuses on the latter, 10 motorcycles that prioritize low maintenance and long-term value. These aren't necessarily the flashiest or fastest bikes, but they're the ones that won't leave you stranded or broke. The market for these motorcycles is massive because people need them to survive, and those who do will buy what lasts. The workhorse, Honda Super Cub, $3,899. The Honda Super Cub isn't just a motorcycle, it's a legend. As the best-selling motor vehicle ever, it's proof that simplicity and durability win. Its air-cooled engine and automatic clutch mean minimal maintenance, even in harsh conditions. It's been around for decades and remains a staple for millions. The beginner's friend, Yamaha V-Star 250, $4,799. The Yamaha V-Star 250 is an ideal entry-level bike, but it's more than just a learner's machine. Its carbureted engine and air cooling make it easy to maintain, even for DIY mechanics. Plus, with 80 mpg, fuel costs are minimal. The versatile all-rounder, Kawasaki KLX 230, $5,199. The Kawasaki KLX bridges the gap between street and dirt. While it's marketed as a beginner dual sport, it's surprisingly capable. Fuel injection, a 6-speed gearbox, and optional ABS add modern touches without sacrificing reliability. The Invincible Classic, Honda XR650L, $6,999. The Honda XR650L is a dinosaur in the best way possible. Air cooling, carburation, and a 5-speed gearbox mean it's built to last. Its unique dry-sump engine design provides exceptional ground clearance. It's the kind of bike that keeps running long after others have given up. The modernized workhorse, Kawasaki KLR650, $6,999. The Kawasaki KLR650 has evolved with the times. While it's gained weight with modern features like fuel injection and ABS, it remains a reliable adventure bike. It's a versatile machine that can handle everything from commuting to off-road trails. The no-frills option, Suzuki Doctor 650S, $7,299. The Suzuki Doctor 650S is the epitome of if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This air-cooled, carbureted thumper is a fuss-free machine that's perfect for riders who want simplicity. Aluminum swing arms and wheels keep the weight down. The cruiser that lasts, Honda Shadow Aero, $8,699. The Honda Shadow Aero is a cruiser that doesn't compromise on reliability. Its liquid-cooled V-twin and shaft drive ensure smooth operation and minimal maintenance. With optional ABS, it's a safe and dependable choice for long rides. The Sporty Cruiser, Yamaha Bolt R-Spec, $8,999. The Yamaha Bolt R-Spec brings a touch of sportiness to the cruiser world. Its air-cooled engine, fuel injection, and belt drive make it a modern take on a classic formula. The cradle frame and twin rear shocks make customization easy. The budget-friendly naked bike, Suzuki SV650 ABS, $8,149. The Suzuki SV650 ABS is a lightweight, fun motorcycle that doesn't break the bank. Its liquid-cooled V-twin engine delivers plenty of power, while its simple design ensures reliability. It's a great choice for riders who want a no-nonsense naked bike. The American V-twin alternative, Kawasaki Vulcan 900, $9,599. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a stylish cruiser that offers value without sacrificing reliability. Its liquid-cooled engine and belt drive provide smooth operation, while the optional ABS adds extra safety. With multiple trim levels, it caters to a variety of riders. Ultimately, these motorcycles prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a dependable machine. These bikes are built to last, offering years of trouble-free riding without breaking the bank.